Good morning, dear children.
Morning.
Good morning, dear parents. Today I'm going to share a simple story on mathematics and how to learn. And then at the very end, we'll give you tips, and you'll also see tips on how to teach the very young ones. So we have a story here about the little squirrel. Do you love stories?
Yes.
Good. So, once deep in the forest, there lived a squirrel and many other squirrels. This specific squirrel was always so silent and quiet. The little squirrel loved to listen to sounds and to listen to everything, while the other squirrels, they loved to munch, climb up the trees, find some fruit, and they loved to eat so much. But this little squirrel ate so little and always wondered why the friends were always eating so much. So one day, the little squirrel was quiet, resting inside its hole. Then came a bird that was flying, and the bird was singing a song saying, "The hunters are coming, little squirrel and little animals. Find some nuts and some food and store for yourself for a whole week. For the hunters I heard, they are going to come to this side of the forest and they will hunt you. Keep safe. Hunt and keep some storage. Have some store of nuts. Little animals of the forest, hear me. And the bird flew far away and went on. "What did I hear?" said the little squirrel. "I heard right. Let me go and warn my friends that they may find some food and keep some nuts and some meal that they can have, some corn to save for the coming days." And the squirrel went and told the friends, "Hey friends, did you hear that? What are you talking about?" The bird that was flying, it was saying that we should keep some nuts for ourselves and some corn because some hunters are coming. And they chased her away and said, "Ha! No hunters on this side. This deeper part of the forest, no human being has ever come here. Stop lying. Go and have a rest in your hole." "Oh, I'm going to find some nuts," said the little squirrel. Oh, there was a tree full of corns. And it went and got some corns and took some corns back home in its hole. And there it ate some and kept some. Then it had saved enough, and it said, "Every day I'll keep some, 2 for every day. I don't eat much, in case the bird was telling the truth. When the hunters come, I will hide in my hole and I'll never come out," he thought. Then, after a few days, while the little squirrel was quiet squirrel was resting, the squirrel heard, it was sounds of a friend, some squirrel that had been caught by the huntsmen. And he could hear the huntsmen walking and talking. The huntsmen came. I have to keep safe in my hole. And look at the squirrel. Can you see the squirrel? The squirrel stayed quiet. And every day, the squirrel ate 2, what are they? 2 corns. 2 corns. And the other, that was Monday. On Tuesday, they also ate 2 more corns. Say corns. Yes, he ate 2 more corns. On Wednesday, 2 more corns. On Thursday, 2 corns. Show me 2 fingers. Good. 2 corns. On Friday, 2 corns. Saturday, 2 corns. And Sunday, 2 corns. And oh my goodness, when it was Sunday, the huntsmen had finished their stay. They went on their way. And so out came the squirrel, looking for the friends, checking in the holes. Oh, they were not there. Just a few were left. I wish they had listened to me. I wish they could be as quiet as I am. They're always so lazy, they never listen to any sounds or any news. From now onwards, they have learned a lesson. Now I know that it is nice to be quiet sometimes, said the squirrel. Did you love the story?
Yes.
Did you love the story?
Yes.
Yes. So when you work with the little children, it's always good to have images on the chalkboard. Like this is a story, but at the same time, it is introducing English. You can see we have days of the week, and they can associate the days of the weeks to the number of corns the little squirrel, quiet squirrel, ate. So from this, they can make an activity, a craft activity, where they can go outside and find twigs or things that look like corns, and they can bring those in class, and that can be done during nature walk or during nature lessons. They can also make crafts. They can take paper cuttings and they can color, and then they can cut the shapes of the squirrel, and that is hand-eye coordination that they are doing to enable them to be able to see lines. And also, they can do mosaic or collage activities. They can also paint out of the story, and they can also say the days of the week and showing their fingers, and they can use counters to see that 2 corns were eaten per day. You can also make simple poems with these, like on Monday the little squirrel ate 2. On Monday and Tuesday the little squirrel ate 4. On Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday the little squirrel ate 6. And so they can count. You can make many activities, and this is how they learn best, when there is integration of senses. I hope that those tips have given you ideas, and I hope that we're going to meet next time. Thank you for listening to me. Till next time, goodbye.